Who would have thought that I would be on YouTube one day? The way that I'm so introverted, I'm sure if my family comes across, or anybody that knows me that comes across this video, will be so shocked because I'm so shy. I'm such a quiet person. But yeah, we did it. We started a YouTube channel. Welcome guys to my very first video on YouTube. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to help me grow. I would really appreciate it. Today we're making the dress that you've just seen. Firstly, I started with the pattern, folded my pattern paper into half, simply drew a normal This is me just cutting the front part of the dress. You'll later on see the back part. Enjoy the video. And then transferred my front part of the dress or pattern into fabric, and then I made an extra ½ inch seam allowance to allow me to sew when I'm sewing. Yeah. This was me trying to cut the back part of the dress, so I made a few alterations and then folded, but making sure that all the pieces, when you join them together, they align properly. This was just me again. I believe here I was doing the middle part of the back. Please take note that I did cut the fabric into I folded the fabric into 4 pieces, because I used my fabric as a lining as well, because I didn't have This color lining, I ran out of it. Funny story, this fabric that I'm using here, I had bought last year for a client of mine, which happens to be my friend as well. So yeah. As you can see, there's 2 pieces of fabric for each piece. This is the back part of it. I went ahead into the machine and joined all the pieces together. This is what it looked like. This is just me installing the zip. Finally, the dress is ready, and this is the dress. Guys, I really love this dress. I'm so proud of myself. I didn't think it would turn out this way, even though I thought of putting a crinoline there to hem the dress, but still I think it looked good even without it. This was me feeling myself. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Till the next video.